So something a little bit different today. This is something I've been thinking of doing or expanding with my business for a while, and I haven't really known at what point to do it or where to go, and it is renewables. So I've been invited down today by Wolseley to the opening of their new Renewables Centre. Now, it's going to be quite interesting because I know nothing really about renewables, heat pumps or anything like that, but this centre here is a perfect sort of training centre where you can learn the complete basics from the start. What do I need? The accreditations. Where do I start when it comes to heat pump installation and sizing and working out what insulation's got to go in? Now, me being massively new to the renewable side of it and the heat pump side of it, this is going to be perfect. So they've invited me down to the opening. There's a few other lads in there that we know off the social media scene, just to get a bit of exposure on the place. But I thought it would be a perfect opportunity to film this and film what they're doing here to help people new to renewables, new to heat pumps. So I'll quickly take you in now. It's quite loud in there because people are talking and chatting away, but I'll give you a quick walk round, and then I think they're going to do the opening of it, and then they're going to do a little bit of a seminar telling everyone what's going on, what you can learn and all that sort of stuff. So I think this might just be a little bit of an interesting video, something a little bit different, but say heat pumps and renewables I've wanted to get into for a while. So I'll take you in and give you a little bit of a walk round. So at the minute, everyone's sort of just arrived and getting to grips and being shown around, showing people what's what. But you've got things like heat pump setups over here. Got a cylinder rig set up here, and obviously they're chatting us through, talking us through the whole sort of process of what's going on and how they connect into systems, which is great because as much as you can put a heating system in, and us as installers who do heating systems, obviously when I was gas registered I did a lot of boiler installs, which is quite interesting as well because you don't need to be gas registered to fit heat pumps, which is a bit of a bonus for me because obviously I gave that up a while ago. But they've got running rigs so you can hear how loud that is running, obviously not at the minute because it's quite loud in here, but little rigs here set up, and then obviously underfloor heating setups, big K3 rads. That's a massive talking point because the size of them inside a house can be a bit overpowering. But got some familiar faces, Alex, Dave. Again, I turned up here after being invited by Wolseley to come down, got out the van. These two boys are here, so you can't go anywhere without bumping into some people you know. But you've come down as well, haven't you, just to get a little bit more knowledge on going into the renewable side of stuff, haven't you?
Yeah, massively. I've always predominantly done gas, so it's good to broaden your horizons and get into the renewables, really.
Yeah, because you're like me, starting from
completely from scratch.
Are you the same, Alex? You've done nothing.
I've done a bit, not a lot, but not like understood the actual like overall understanding of all the boots on the ground and understand like how it all works. But yeah. I've got a similar idea how it's installed, but not explaining it to someone.
Yeah, and I've just been, sorry, I missed your name.
Scott.
Scott. I've just been chatting with Scott as well. He gave us a little bit of an insight into what they want to do here with the Renewables Centre, and it is, like you said, us as installers know 90% of everything we need to know, don't we?
Exactly.
It's just, this is the last little 10% of, so as a newbie coming in, what are you able to sort of show us what we need to know, the accreditation, how to work out what's what?
As you mentioned, 90% of the knowledge you guys have already got, so come down, come and see us. We'll help you get signed up to the course. 3-day course, currently free, and I'll give you the extra bit of knowledge that you need to install.
So basically start from the start. But also it's for people that are already within the renewables and heat pump sector as well, isn't it? If they need a little bit more knowledge, like you said, is it NAPIT that will update various things? So they'll pass that on to you, then you can pass that on to current installers. So yeah, I mean, what we're going to do here in a minute, I think after the big opening, is there like a bit of a seminar, a bit of a chat?
I believe so.
Yeah, so once they've got the actual opening done, I'll see if I can film a little bit of what's being said. But you know, people like Scott are here to help. I'm going to have a go round, chat with various people, and just get a bit more of an understanding on the renewables and the heat pump side of stuff. at the new Wolseley Renewable Centre.
Okay, I think I officially announced this Renewables Centre, the first one in the UK, to be open.
Hey. So there we go, that is the opening of the first official Renewables Centre in the UK. They're going to be putting these out all through the country. I think the next one's going to be Swansea, and then they're going to champion it all the way down through the country. But with that open, let's go on in, see if we can grab a few people for a chat and see just what Wolseley and Renewables Centre is going to do for the industry, making it more accessible and the knowledge that we need as installers to get heat pumps, renewables and whatnot into the home. So let's go in, see if we can have a chat with a few people. As I said, I was going to grab a few people for a bit of a chat. I've got Dan Marsden, who is the Renewables Director for Plumbers Centre. I've grabbed Dan because he's just done the opening and the handover and the big chat outside in the tent, letting everyone know what the Renewables Centre is about. So I wanted to go and get a chat with him as an installer. So I'm coming into it, Dan, as a plumber who's done gas boilers over the years, heating systems. So like Scott, one of your guys said, I know 90% of it, but I don't know the bit that I need for renewables, for heat pumps. So I've been invited here today because it's a perfect opportunity, a centre like this, for us coming in as complete newbies to it, needing to know what we need to find out the accreditations we need, and that is what you've put it into place for, isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
So if you give us a bit of a rundown on the whole sort of process of it and what us as installers coming into it with a fresh set of eyes are going to gain out of it.
Absolutely, I think you're absolutely spot on, and that's the feedback that we've had from a lot of installers. I myself come from a family of, my dad was a gas engineer himself,
right, okay.
So he's a bit later on in his career now retired, but it's absolutely that you know exactly the technology, how to fit it, the pipes, all that. It's the training, and then it's the support afterwards on the first installs, and especially for your customers, the end consumer, what's in it for them, how can they access the grant, and that's the bit of training that we can really help. So if we start with what Renewables Centre is, it's first and foremost it's the training, it's giving the skills and the knowledge to the engineers to transition from a fossil fuel, a gas or an oil to the renewable source. Mainly heat pumps at the moment is the main focus, which is
because I'm finding a lot more people now are coming to me, Mark, do you fit air source heat pumps, or builders I'm working with, and the minute we're getting renewables companies in, because I look at it and go, yeah, I sort of know how it works, but why not have you 3 days out to learn it and get it all for yourself?
And there were some barriers before, Mark, on that, because the trainees for the 3-day course is a cost, and as we know, when engineers come off the road, it's not only 3 days lost money, it's in a training course. So it's great to see the government funding the training for free in England. However, training's not free in Scotland and Wales, but Renewables Centre and Wolseley have said that will fund engineers in Wales and Scotland, so they can have access to the training for free as well. So it just reduces the barriers, reduces the cost. Do the training, and once we've got the qualification, then it allows obviously the installs to go ahead. But then we have Res, which is our business that we acquired, who can then, depending on what part of their package you can take up, you can take just the design, they'll do the full design for you on your first install, followed by on-site support on the install with their technicians, down to commissioning. So you can then offer your homeowner or consumer the £7,500 bus scheme in England, and obviously in Scotland it's slightly different as well.
And Res will put all that into sort of place and help you through everything you need to know.
Absolutely, everything from cradle to grave, from the very start, concept about from the drawings, and in the calcs design for you, all the way, like I said, even come out to site and go through it with you to ensure that everything is accredited to the MCS standard, which then allows the bus £7,500 grant from the government to come back to reduce the cost to your end client, which is hugely important. So
massively.
It's what we need to. We need to get more gas engineers across. We need to get them trained into it, and we are seeing, as I said earlier, the demand is there from the consumer. We're seeing you can see the figures on the MCS data that more and more consumers are taking up heat pumps, and we've got a huge part to play in upskilling and training our engineers, who, like you said, are there, just need to know a little bit more knowledge.
That 10%, don't we?
Yeah, absolutely. And the more awareness we can do, more training we can help roll out, and then support the installers on their installs.
Perfect. And you're going to be running the Renewables Centre out nationwide.
Absolutely. So this is the first one that we have. We have other training centres in conjunction with NAPIT across the country. We're opening another Renewables Centre in Swansea is our next one.
Right.
We should be opening within the next 4 to 6 weeks.
Brilliant.
And then from there we'll look to roll out others as well across the country. So exciting times for us.
Yeah, so it's all in-house basically, isn't it? Everything that us as, me especially as a newbie coming into it, everything I need to know to get me up and running is going to be available in these renewable centres.
Yes, absolutely. One phone call away and we can organise absolutely everything and go through the full journey.
Perfect. Cheers, Dan.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Absolutely,
anytime.
So there you go. Keep your eyes out because the renewable centres are going to be ran up and down the country in conjunction with Wolseley Plum Centre. So yeah, been a great morning here, seeing what I need to do, where I need to go, and predominantly working with Wolseley and Renewables Centre on this. So yeah, keep watching because there's going to be more renewable stuff coming very soon. So that was a good little morning here with Wolseley at the Renewables Centre. It's really good to see these, and they're going to start rolling them out down the country. But for me, starting off this journey into the renewable side of stuff and the heat pump side of stuff, they've answered loads of questions, but yeah, they sort of confirmed what I needed to know. It's the last little 10% that we need to know. We know 90% being plumbing, heating installers, and part of it, the reason why I've shied away from it is the not knowing aspect of it. But the Renewables Centre here in the training centre is perfect for answering them questions, and spend 3 days here on a course which can be government funded with the grants. That's all in place as well, so you haven't got to pay for the courses, running it through Renewables Centre. And also there's a company that are working with them called Res, who do the background stuff. They put everything in place, they tell you about all the grant side of stuff. They can pass all that over to you so you can send it off to the customer when you come to do your quotes and stuff like that. But yeah, it was a really interesting day. So thanks to Wolseley for inviting me down, and keep an eye out because there's going to be more renewable stuff coming to the channel as I go through the process of learning and getting booked onto one of the courses and finding out everything I need to know about renewables and heat pumps. As always, if you've enjoyed this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Nice little short video. I just thought you might be interested in it, something a little bit different for the channel. So yeah, keep an eye out for the Renewables Centres popping up.